Good morning, dear students. Wish you all a very good day. Intermediate second day first in first lesson of study. In his side, written by Francis Bacon, who is author of study. Of study is authored by Francis Bacon. So Francis Bacon about the lesson what he described to us. Already last class we have to discuss. Now reminding due to lesson. So about continue. According to Bacon, which is not book, which is not read through, which is book read fully, and then what is how could I find out, and which is read we have to read completed the book and it is digested. He is told to us. So he said to us, there are some books reading only parts, not only perfect, and so we may skip through the pages. Just it is read to partly, then skip the pages. Then some books are to be read completely. Some books is not read. Some books are read to only partly. Remaining is pages skips. Then some books are to be read completely. But these books need not to be studied well. Here described to us. Some books are read to be partly. Some books are read to be completely. But these type of books need not to be studied well. We can read from curiosity. Why students are very curious, which is cine magazine style. They have read a lot of and it was very curiosity. In their magazine, they have published about his favorite hero, but it should not be read completely. Need not well, but we have read this type of books. Then he said, but some other books are to be studied carefully and digested. Some other books are to be studied carefully and digested. Digested means in their knowledge we are acquired and keep it to our mind and it is implemented to in our practical life. It is digested means we are acquired this knowledge, understand, keep your mind. Then the knowledge as whenever we have read there, learn about in there, then we have to modify in ourselves. While the knowledge how we have proved it in our experience in practical life. Then because therefrom condensed and abridged. Condensed means it was water is make it ice. Then after a while it is freeze. Water is freeze. Finally water freeze result is ice freeze. Then it's called condensed. We are acquired knowledge, keep it to our mind. Then while after some times we prove it in knowledge, then it will be implemented to our practical life. It is an experience of. Then it is implemented to condensed. Then some books are abridged. Abridged means, for example, abridged means teach lesson to one lesson. Just there is a very biggest lesson, approximately 5 pages. You read completely and acquire. You know you didn't understand about the lesson. Then you can do it now about the knowledge from the beginning to ending about the lesson. Then how many pages have you read? You read 5 pages only. Therefore, they are asking question in examination about the lesson. In their lesson, they have taken from the one question. The question is asking for in your examination. Just they are asking about the question. What is the theme of the lesson? Which character is important in this lesson? They will ask 15 marks question. Then totally lesson is 10 pages. But they are asking according to your view, it is presentations of just 150 words. So now you read and understand about the lesson. Then in the question asking in examination, till there your presentation and add it to your own knowledge and edit the just 2 pages. Totally lesson you read in 5 pages. Then your presentation is total lesson 2 pages. It is your view, your knowledge. It is edit. So abridged means editing. You read 100 pages of book. You acquired 100 pages of knowledge book. Then they are asking, just you told to them about the book 2 pages only. It is you are consistent. It means consistent. That is abridged means. So some books are condensed and abridged. Like distilled water. Distilled water. Nowadays, everyone, human beings, now in your home, in your school, in hotel, theaters, complex, station, wherever, whenever you go there, just you have to need to drinking water, you wash and buy. It is filtered water. Not only you drink in raw water, just you need for filtered water, like a distilled water. So in the filtered distilled water, there is no insects, there is no bacteria, but it is a purified water. Distilled water means purified. So whenever you read there in your book, then it is a distilled water like. It means epic books, some personality development books, and poetries, philosophies, some other etc. It seems some books about is compared to distilled water. Distilled water is very purified water, but tasteless. For example, you like your favorite dish like non-veg, chicken, mutton, fish, other. Somebody has said to you about my favorite dish is vegetable. So vegetables you prefer potato, brinjal, ladyfingers and leaf curries. But vegetable persons, they said to about your favorite dish. My favorite dish is vegetable. But very oftenly they are remembered and favorite said to brinjal, ladyfingers, potato and leaf curries. But any vegetable 8% it should not about to my favorite dish is bitter gourd. Why? Bitter gourd is it's not a good taste, but it is gives us very good health because in their comparative distilled water is tasteless. Some books are compared to here. It's a good, but there is no theme. But in their theme, we have to find it. It is there. Then, such books are to be ready assistant because the matter is very less. We have assistant wherever we go there, and we are carrying to our some favorite books. But there is no matter. But we are carrying these books. It's like an assist. It was novels and adventures. You read forward to page by page, but it is gives us very curiosity when we have to complete this book. That's why after reading you like free. The book is uncompleted. Then it is your curiosity. You have completed the book, but there is no matter. Very less. But every page when we have read in there, it gives us very curiosity, like feel, anxiety. But in the books there is no matter, very less. But some books are like distilled water, but tasteless. It was divided to which book you have read, which is book not, we should not read there. Who is Francis Bacon said to us, which is book we have read, which is not book we have read. Compare, some books are read partly, some books are read completely, but be careful, it's not studied well. This type. And another one, some books are we have read, it is like gives us a curiosity in your mind. But some books are studied carefully and digested. Then, because they from content are very important, useful for us practical life. Whenever, wherever, if you have which is reading book, included epic books also, Mahabharata, Quran, Gita, Shiva Puran, Ramayana, and other etc. It is books are we are read whenever in the we want to important in the very important of in the content. Content is very important and useful for our practical life. Useful for us practical life. Then some books are condensed and abridged, like distilled water, and it is tasteless. Some books are some books are to be read by assistants because there is no matter, it is very less. While whenever you have read which is book, newspaper, magazine, subjects, philosophy, devotionally, song, poetry, witty, crime, adventure, novels, epics, the whole books, whenever you read, but you keep it in your mind. Remember, in the content is very important. When you have, would you acquiring in the subject, then the content as if you have to make and implement it in your life, it is your practical life. It is your practical life. So please remember, Francis Bacon said about which is book read and which is not book read. Thank you students. Remaining due to class, continue next class.